If you're encountering any issues with your alarm system, such as the alarm triggering by itself, arming and disarming by itself, white screen issue, screen or keypad lag issues, or having trouble pairing the sensor or wireless siren, then a full reset, which includes initializing and power cycling the OSI alarm display, will in most cases fix these issues. Keep in mind that after initialization, you'll need to re-add the sensors and wireless strobe siren if you have one. Okay, first I'll show you how to initialize the system, which must be done from the alarm panel. Select Menu, select Settings, then select Initialization. You'll see a message that says all accessories and parameters will be deleted. So as I said before, you'll need to re-add the sensors and strobe siren if you have one. However, your Wi-Fi will not be reset, so you won't have to worry about connecting to Wi-Fi again. Now you can press the check mark to confirm that you want to initialize the system. Once initialization is complete, the system will then restart and the welcome screen will show. And now you will see the menu. Now that we initialized the system, we can now do a power cycle. Power cycling can clear any residual errors that may be left on the software and hardware by refreshing the RAM or internal memory. So to power cycle, the first thing you need to do is unplug the power from the electrical outlet. Then flip over the alarm display and remove the back panel. Now on the top left side of the USB mini port, you'll see a switch. This turns the backup battery on and off. Right now we want to switch it off. So move the backup battery to the off position. Then wait about 1 minute. Then turn the backup battery switch to the on position. Place the back panel cover back on. Then plug the power adapter back into the wall. And that's it. This should have fixed all the issues that I've mentioned before. If you're still encountering issues, please don't hesitate to contact OSI Go Direct.
Well, we hope this video helped you out. All the products you see here are available on Amazon.com and Amazon.ca. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave your question below and we'll be sure to answer it as soon as possible. My name is Brandon Paris and thank you for watching.